Hello dear Atlassian community. Today we will look at ways to pimp your Confluence pages. We will delve into the use case of Rita. Rita writes blog posts for internal communication and would like to create an overview page where she can see her manual on how to write blog posts, what blog posts are next, and how the blog posts are performing. To start, she includes an About section about her Confluence page. Then, to bring some more structure onto her Confluence page, Rita creates a tab navigation using the Navitabs Tabs for Confluence app. For this, she will type / and then search for tab wizard. And she will here select existing pages. And she will then include the manual WordPress page as a tab, and she also has a page concerning tips for writing blog posts and one concerning don'ts. Here she can create a new tab design to match the corporate identity colors. She already has done that before, so we're happy with that, and then click on save. Next, Rita wants to create links that link to the drafts she's currently working on, so she creates a child page macro and chooses the parent page where all the child pages with the drafts are located. And then Rita also wants to include a macro called roadmap macro to plan her blog posts. Here she plans to do a blog post on Viewtracker, and she can select the time span in which she wants to complete this article. Then she clicks on insert and chooses a title. As mentioned, Rita also wants to know how her blog posts are performing, so she includes an analytics macro showing the performance of the last blog post. For this, she will use the Viewtracker macro analytics chart, and she can choose between space or page analytics. Here she will choose page and search for the latest article that she wrote. In this case, it was about data security, data privacy, and she will select the viewers and views, select the date range and the type of display, the grouping, and will save the report. And then Rita also decides to make an expand macro so that the page is not that full, and people can then decide to click on expand to view the analytics. Last but not least, she will include a header image. So now Rita has a complete blog post overview page. She can navigate between the different tabs. There's a planning section. She can jump to the current drafts she's working on, and she can see how her last blog post is performing. Thanks very much for watching, and enjoy crafting your own Confluence pages.